Wake up, sleepyhead. Poop. Belly button.
Okay, we have the mattress in its carrying case, a sheet cover, very nice. We'll have the instructions, and that's it. Let's get this installed, give it a test, and see how we like it. Let's go. Okay, step one, we lower the seats. Step two, this flattens the seats all the way down. Okay, let's open this up. And for the weight, not too heavy at all. To inflate it, the power source is from a 12-volt cigarette lighter, which is tucked right inside of here. This bad boy gets plugged into the side over there, but for now, let's leave this here so we can unravel the rest. Alrighty, we've taken the plug out. Now you'll see that to the left of the storage area is a switch that's pretty simple. Inflate is to the right, deflate is to the left, and the power source itself is along the side right over here. We simply lift that up and plug this in. That's it. So we have it plugged in. Let's set the clock, turn it on, and now we wait. Now, it's onto the sheet. Done. Oh. That even sounds nice. We have a bed in the Juniper. How cool is that? So, fitment-wise, it's perfect. Snug all the way around. And the mattress itself is pretty thick. The foam is really nice. Not like a simple inflatable mattress. This will definitely be more comfortable. Great stuff, Nova. Alrighty, it's inflated. Let's go in.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. That's nice. Plenty of room for me, but I'm just a little guy. And if you scoot up, you can control the air conditioning, watch some toy box videos. I'm not even subscribed to my own channel. I suck. Anyways, yeah. This is awesome. Couldn't recommend it more. Time to go to sleep. Good night. Time to deflate and pack things up. That poor thing is pruning. Oh, I forgot the sheet. So I'm not sure if I folded the mattress correctly. And you probably have somebody at Nova Pads going, "Oh, he folded it incorrectly." He did it like a caveman. And to that I say, so, in combination with this monstrosity of a windshield sunshade, that works really well though, I'll give it that. The mattress and everything else is pure awesome. I absolutely love it. And if you need a bed, this is definitely the way to go. Final thoughts for anyone that's going camping, I couldn't recommend this more. It's a sturdy 4.5, 5 inches thick, really nice foam feeling mattress. It's nicer than expected, to be honest. The fitment is absolutely perfect. Easy access to the screen for the air conditioning, the heat, or just to put something on to watch. Novo pads, fantastic job. Well, that's it for this one. I truly hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.